In the darkest depths of the sea, where time itself seems to slow, there exists a creature that refuses to die. It does not grow old, it does not decay, it simply begins again. Scientists call it Turritopsis dohrnii, but most people know it by a simpler name, the immortal jellyfish. Imagine being able to turn back your own biological clock, to grow old, then grow young again. This jellyfish does exactly that. A living paradox in a world where everything must eventually end. It begins its life like any other jellyfish, a tiny larva drifting in the current. Eventually, it settles on the ocean floor and becomes a polyp, a small, colony-like structure that gives rise to adult jellyfish. But here's where the miracle begins. When faced with injury, hunger, or old age, most creatures simply die. But Turritopsis dohrnii chooses a different path. Instead of decaying, it performs one of nature's most astonishing tricks. It transforms its adult body back into a polyp. Cells that once specialized begin to change. Muscle, nerve, and reproductive cells all revert into their earliest forms, as if time flows backward, like watching life in reverse. This process is called transdifferentiation, and no other animal on Earth does it quite like this. Through this transformation, the jellyfish avoids death altogether. Once it becomes a polyp again, it can start the cycle anew, creating new jellyfish, living the same life over and over. In theory, it can repeat this forever. But immortality in nature is never simple. The immortal jellyfish can still be eaten by predators. It can still fall victim to disease. It is not invincible, only ageless. For decades, scientists have studied this tiny being, hoping its secrets could unlock new frontiers in biology and medicine. Could humans one day reverse their own aging? Could the same process that resets this jellyfish's life also repair damaged cells or cure degenerative diseases? The answers remain hidden beneath the waves. But one thing is certain, this creature challenges everything we think we know about life and time. Down in the endless blue, the immortal jellyfish drifts, unbothered by years, untouched by time. While everything else on Earth races toward an ending, it simply circles back to the beginning. Maybe immortality was never about escaping death, but learning how to begin again. If you could live forever, would you want to?